One of the coolest ways to reveal a playing card is by not revealing it. What? That's right, the coolest way to reveal a playing card is by giving the deck to the spectator and having them reveal it themselves. What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and this is your place to learn Magic, master performance, and captivate audiences. If you want to learn how to make a spectator reveal their own playing card, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and stick around. And now, let's do it. Alright guys, so check this out. Today we'll be using the Rise playing card. It's been a while since I used these, and they're still actually pretty new, so they are quite slippery. Should have probably thought this out before making this video, but we're already here. Give the deck a couple of shuffles and a cut, then we'll have a card selected by a spectator at random. So let's say that card right over here. Take a look and remember that card. If you forget it, I will hold you accountable. All right, this is the most important card of your life right here. We'll take it, lose it somewhere in the center of the deck, just like this, just like this. I don't know what happened to my shuffling skills. I swear I used to be better. I don't know what happened. But regardless, I have now controlled your card back to the top. Check it out. Bam! There's your card. Is that not it? Okay. Okay. Are you sure this is not your card? I could have swore this is the card that I'm read in your mind. Okay. Okay. You know what? New plan. New plan. We're gonna try this out. Okay. Okay. Just think of your card for me. Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. I think this is your card. This is not your card either. Okay. Okay, one more try. I'm going to give it one last try. Give it a couple of cuts. There we go. All right, one final try. Your card was the 4 of spades. So check this out. F-O-U-R-O-F-S-P-A-D-E-S. 4 of spades. That wasn't your card either. Okay. Okay. You know what? You do this, all right? I don't even want to touch the deck anymore. I want you to take this deck, spell out your own card, all right? I don't even care. What is it? 5 of clubs? Okay, spell it out, okay? F-I-V-E-O-F-C-L-U-B-S. And there it is. There it actually is, the 5 of clubs. All right, welcome to the tutorial of twos. Get it? Tutorial of tutorial. It's bad joke. Bad joke. So, to give you a little bit of background on this effect, this is from the Royal Road to Card Magic, and I did make a few modifications to the original effect, which I think definitely helped it fit my performance style a bit more. And of course, as you read card tricks, always try to adapt it to your performance style, because something that someone else uses may not be natural for you. So, that being said, keeping that in mind, let's go ahead and break it down. So to start off, as per the usual, you have a card selected by a spectator. It is the 7 of hearts in our case. We take that and leave it on top. We tell the spectator we're going to lose it somewhere in the center of the deck. So the way I like to do this, I like to give the deck an overhand shuffle, a controlled overhand shuffle, where I'm keeping the spectator's card on top of the deck. And if you don't know how to do this, I'll put the link to it on the screen. I have a video on this. You can check it out. So it's maintained on top. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can give it a couple of false cuts. Do whatever you'd like. Just maintain the card on top of the deck. Now, you want to tell the spectator, once you've done one false shuffle, you tell the spectator, I'm going to control your card back to the top. Then you could do another false shuffle or another false cut, whatever your preference is, and keep it maintained on top. Now you're going to confidently assert to the spectator that you have their card on top of the deck. You control the back on top, you do a double lift, and you show them, bam, there's your card. They're going to say, no, that's not it. And you act almost surprised, like, wow, I was so confident and you got me. So this is where you're actually going to get a peek at the spectator's card. So you peel off this card, tilt the deck towards you, peel off this card, and the action should look very natural. It shouldn't look like, you know, you're doing something like this, something very weird, going to weird angles. It's, oh wow, that's not your card. You're sure, you peel it off, and the reason your hand is coming here so that you can peel off the card. Again, very natural movements. Show it to the spectator. Are you sure this is not your card? As you're showing this to your spectator, you're taking a glance at the spectator's actual selected card. So now at this point, you keep in mind the spectator selected the 7 of hearts. So show, okay, are you sure this is not your card? Okay. You put it back on the deck face down. So looking at the order of the deck, you have the spectator's card face up, the rest of the cards are face down. So this is a pretty cool way just to flip over a spectator's card, but we're going to take this effect even further. You turn the deck face up, and now this is where the spelling comes into play. So you want to spell the spectator selected card minus 1 letter. So it is the 7 of hearts, right? So you spell S-E-V-E-N-O-F-H-E-A-R-T, and then of course you don't take the S. So 7 of heart, you say you're looking for the spectator selected card. Okay, you don't think it's here. Take this whole pile, put it on the bottom of the packet. Now, the issue is this Joker. I don't want to use that. I'm going to get rid of that for now. But then you look at the next card. It is the 3 of spades. Okay, so now you're going to count for this card as well. So THREEOFSPADES. Take these, put them in the back as well. Now I like to tell the spectator, okay, I think this is it. I think I got to your card. You show them the card confidently. 4 of clubs. They say no. Okay, you're very upset about this. This is a very upsetting time for you. This is where you pull out that inner actor that has always been there, but hasn't performed until this second. Or just be normal about it. So we go back to the top, and remember the second card we counted. It was the 3 of spades. You're going to count down 3 of spades. Again, very confidently asserting, yes, this is it. Be like, okay, I know what your card is. Your card is the 3 of spades. So before they even have a chance to correct you, say anything, you already start counting. THREEOFSPADES, and boom, you turn on the S. There it is, the 3 of spades. You're acting very proud of yourself. They look at you like, what is this guy doing? This guy don't know anything. And then they say that's not it either. They're like, okay, you know what? I'm done. You can hand them the deck. This is where they do the reveal themselves. You already know what's happening here. They take their deck, count to 7 of, what was the card? They count to 7 of hearts, SEVENOFHEARTS. And there it is, their selected card, the 7 of hearts. One disclaimer, make sure they know how to spell, because that'll be a problem. If they do not know how to spell, you're screwed. Now this is the card trick that puts your 2nd grade spelling skills to the test. 2nd grade spelling skills. Oh, fudge. 2nd grade spelling skills. 2nd grade spelling skills. That took me way too long to say. Now, if this doesn't satisfy your thirst for card tricks, make sure to check out this video right over here because it's pretty amazing. Thank you so much for watching. It's always a pleasure when you're here. Hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Or I'll see you in that video. Either one.